Mode 15 means it will count from 00 to 14. Display 1 and display 2. This will be our unit digit and this will be our 10 digit. With this we need to connect 3 input AND gate. Input will be A, F and G, and with this we need one NOT gate and the input will be its A. So our output will be A bar and its output will be A dot F dot G. Then we have to do AND to all of this. So our final circuit will be this display 1, it is A, it is A bar, and for display 2 we need A, F and G. So our output will be A bar dot A dot F dot G. So this is the combination we have to do with output of 4026. Now we'll see the circuit. As it is common cathode display, so the common pin of the display is connected to the ground and all other 7 pins, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, are connected to the IC. And in between IC and the display we have to connect the resistor, and these are 560 ohms resistor. This is 4026 IC1 and this one 4026 IC2. The output pins are 10, 12, 13, 9, 11, 6 and 7. Pin number 3 and 16, these two will be connected to the plus 5 volt, and 2 and 8, these two are connected to the ground. The clock pin of the IC, that is pin number 1, will provide clock pulse with a push button switch, and other side of the switch is connected to the plus 5 volt. And with this we have to connect a pull down resistor. I already explained why should we connect the pull down resistor, link in the description below. The value is 10 kilo ohms. And in between this we have to connect a capacitor for debouncing. The value is 0.01 microfarad. It is the clock input and pin 5 is clock output. So this pin number 5 is connected to this clock input. Then we have to connect the reset pin, that is pin 15, and with this we have to connect pull down resistor. The value is 10 kilo ohms. Now we have to do the gate combination according to this. So for the display 1 we have to use NOT gate for A. So here it is A, and with this a NOT gate is connected. And for the second display we have to do AND gate for A, F and G. And after this we have to do AND function with 4 input AND gate, and it is, so it will be like this, and output of this AND gate is connected to here. So this is the basic structure of this circuit. For NOT gate I use IC 4049 and I already discussed about this IC, link in the description below. And for the AND gate I'll use 4073. It is also already discussed. Talking about this IC 4049, the input will be pin number 3 and the output will be pin number 2. And we know that the ground pin is pin number 8 and VCC pin is pin number 1. Ground pin for 4073 is pin number 7 and VCC is pin number 14. Better I'll do it in next page. 4073, pin number 14 is plus 5 volt and pin number 7 will be ground. To make this 4 input AND gate we have to use pin 3, 4, 5 and pin 1. We have to connect these 4 pins to these pins, and after that we have to connect pin number 6 and 2, pin number 8 2 plus 5 volt. So this is the only thing we have to do to make it 4 input AND gate. This IC is 3 input AND gate, but we can use it as 4 input AND gate. So this is how we can do it. And about this 4049, this A, that is this one A, is connected to pin number 3, and the output, it is 2. It will be connected to, this 2 is connected to here. So this 2 will be connected to any one of them, and other 3 we know that A, F and G. 8 is ground, and pin 1 is plus VCC, and we will use it plus 5 volt. So this is the circuit. The basic structure is this. Now we'll see the connection on breadboard. Display 1 and display 2. First 4026, second 4026. 3 input AND gate IC 4073, NOT gate IC 4049. Connecting all the positives and the negative. First I will connect the combination connection, and then I will connect rest of the connection. As it is 4026 second IC, so it's A, that is pin number 10 connected to pin number 3 of 4073. This F and G. These 3 are connected to pin number 3, 4 and 5. And after that, pin number 6 and 2 are connected, that is IC 4073. So pin number 6 and 2, and this 1 will be connected to the pin number 2 of the 4049. So here it is pin number 1, and it is connected to pin number 2 of 4049. 2 is connected to the AND gate, and pin number 3 of 4049 is connected to pin number 10 of first 4026. Here it is pin number 10, that is A, and it is connected to pin number 3 of 4049. So this connection is completed. Putting the resistor for the display. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Connecting the display pins to the resistor. It is connected. Now other side of the resistor will be connected to the pin output. So this is A, so it is connected to pin number 10, B to the pin number 12, and like this we have to connect them all. Display is connected. Here is push button switch. One pin is connected to the plus 5 volt. The other pin will be connected to pin number 1, that is clock input of the IC, and pin number 5 is clock output, and it is connected to this clock input, that is pin number 1. And I am connecting a capacitor in between these two pins, 0.01 microfarad capacitor, connecting positive and negative rails. Now we have to connect both the reset pin, that is pin number 15, a pull down resistor to the pin number 15. Now this 10 kilo ohms resistor is connected, and the output of the gate, that is pin number 9, it is connected to pin 15 of the IC. We are keeping the pin 8 to high, and the pin number 9 is output. It is pin 9 and it is the output. And then connect a pull down resistor to the input signal, that is pin number 1 of the second 4026. So the connection is completed. Now here is negative and it is positive. I have connected 5 volt power supply. Now this counter will count from 00 to 14. I am turning off my lights. Now you can see this better. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and if we press I again, it is 0, 0. So this is how we can design mode 15 counter using 4026. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.